Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to edit, how to gain your level of the possibility of 3D audio, spatial audio, using your AirPods Max, for example, and a smartphone like an iPhone. Because we have 3D audio possible. We're having really nice, good stereo sound. That means two speakers are working, but we have more, which we can perform. That means the spatial audio. How we perform this? We are going to pair our device like that AirPods Max using an iPhone, and then we go to settings. Then you can see the AirPods Max here in my case on this setting area. And then of course we are able to edit this, the name, the noise control and so on. And if we go down, we can see personalized spatial audio. First, we can see in here how it works. If we are going into this setting, we can hear it on our ears. Wow, that's a good stereo audio. But we can make it spatial audio. So that's really 3D, baby. Okay? To perform this, we have to edit it, or we have to personalize this. We go to that, personalized spatial audio. Yeah, let's start with that. We can now personalize the spatial audio. We can use our iPhone camera to personalize the spatial audio for the shape of our ears. Okay, continue. Now, of course, if you have your AirPods right on your head and the iPhone cannot see your ears, that's not good. So to continue, we need to obscured view of our ears during the scanning process. So we take off that now. Let's continue. Now we are making a nice tutorial with that. We position our iPhone in front of us to see our face in the camera frame. We move our head from left to right and so on. Okay, let's start it now. You can see it now. Oh, there we are. Okay, now we capture. Go to the left. The camera will see your ears. Go to the front. Go to the right. Wait a little bit. Yeah, there it is. Job's done. Personalization is done with this spatial sound. Now we can get back it on our face, on our head, and we are done with that. Of course, now we can hear better. We can hear more because of the spatial audio using your AirPods Max or the other AirPods out there. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. That's all.